Alright, hi guys, Matt here, everyone. And today's video, I'm going to be going over two Mac-only applications that are all about customizing your dock and the whereabouts of it and some of the neat things that you might not have known about what the dock can actually do. So two applications that we'll be going over is called Dock Library. So as you can see, this changes the look of the dock at the bottom. And we're also going over Super Docker. Okay, so there's several things. This is basically like an all-in-one application where you can go over the customizing things. Okay, so the websites will be in the video description to your right, so you can go and click the links to that, and you can get started with this video finally, or whatever. You get my point. So Dock Library, just hit download right there. Compatible with both Leopard and Snow Leopard, and the two links to get the docks are leoparddocs.com, and I'll be going over how to download and install them later, as well as leoparddocs.net. Okay, so that's all about Dock Library. And finally, Super Docker, you can just go superdocker.com and download it from there. Alright, so let's get right into it. Minimize out of that, go into Dock Library, and when you first downloaded it and install it to your hard drive, you'll only have this one and maybe another one or so, okay? But we're going to go back to the web page and download this revamped. Hit download. It's going to bring it up right here. And sorry if my internet is, yeah, it's garbage, I know. It's just because there's a lot of people on my connection. Okay, so while that's downloading, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of how you go about installing them. You're going to go to Import. Then you're going to find where it is exactly on your computer. So here we go. It's done. Okay, so mine's in the downloads. You can open in folder, and we're going to just gonna search it because I have a lot of stuff. Okay, so there's the folder. We're gonna drag it to the desktop, like so. Clear this, and minimize out of that. Now we're gonna just do a quick refresh, go to the desktop, hit revamped, and hit open. And there we have the revamped dock. Okay, you can do the same thing to delete it. So if I didn't want Tiger Splash, I hit delete, and it's gone. So let's go to revamped, and we're going to hit activate. And there you have it. See what it did there is it dropped the dock, and then it came right back up because it had to exchange the one that it already had on previously to the one it has now. Okay, so that said, that is Dock Library. Very simple, very self-explanatory, very easy to use, and it gives a nice spin on your desktop. And there's nothing really up in the tasks or the menu bar that you have to worry about. So like I said, the Super Docker application right here. You got the icons and whatnot. We're not going to mess around with that. You can do that yourself because this is just on Super Docker. Right here, you have the configuration, the icon transparency. I can't really tell the difference with that, to be honest with you guys. But, yeah, automatically hide. So you have to bring it down to the bottom of your desktop in order for it to go up. You can lock the icons, so I cannot move them at all. Right there. I have the dock alignment to be 3D, 2D. And normally with these things, you'd have to go into the terminal, which if you don't know about it, don't worry. It's basically run for Windows, pretty much like entering your code and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much terminal. You don't have to worry about it if you don't know how to use it. Neither do I. So That's that. Now the alignment can be center. That's how I get it to be left or right. Now the position on screen is left, bottom, or the right. I personally like it at the bottom. The minimize, if you ever do the minimize, you can do that. And if you add a separator, it'll look like this. To the applications, you see right there. And you can simply, I gotta unlock it. And drag that space away. And there you have it. Then you can go customize dock. You can change what it is and so on and so forth. If you go to stacks, you can draw the frame behind the mouse. Draw a frame behind icon or over the mouse cursor. I don't know what that did, to be honest with you. Add a stack of recent items. You can add that. Appearance, you can customize the background. And now we're going to applications. The Finder. You can add the quit button to the Finder menu. You can show the hidden files in the Finder menu. If you go into dashboard, you can go to developer mode. And then you can save it. So you can also customize your widgets and whatnot. Go to Safari. You can open a new window in a tab. So I think I'm going to check that because I personally don't like that about Safari. How when you click a link, it brings it up into a whole different window. Developer menu and show web inspector. So I always like the standardized progress bar. Let's see if we can do that. You can customize some more. Hit apply. We'll type in the password. I don't know if it's going to work or not. It's been applied successfully. Please relaunch Safari and no, it doesn't look like it did anything because it's replaced with the other one. So it's like it's just a loading bar right there. Alright guys, system capture, that's a PNG. Deactivate shadows on captures, That's the system stuff. The login background, you can choose one. Oh, that's pretty neat. Let's try that. That's really neat, nice. But the application, I never actually knew that. Okay. So that's that. You can also hit restore if you don't like it. And others. Activate our debug menus. Activate on address book, iCal, disk utility, iChat, the detector mode, iTunes disable, iPhone, iPod touch backups, disable iTunes store links, and time machine. So when you want to use the backup. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the 2 applications. I'm probably going to go over another one on Candy Bar. Alright. I got a version of that off the internet, so I might go over that, I might not, but yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'd like to thank you personally for watching this video. I have 134 subscribers as of making this video, and I'd just like to thank each and every one of you. So, yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.